Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you had a good week in the market. It is June 6th. We're going to review 0-day options and my small account challenge. Progressing Friday. Hope you had a good week. Yesterday was, let's see, not great for the small account, good for the big account. Today I flipped it. Green on the little account, red on the, or no, green on the small account, red on the big account. Typical Friday, yay, chop. Gap up. I think there was data or something this morning. I'm not sure. I didn't even look. Gap up. So we have the gap trap going on, as well as Friday where they just try and trap calls and puts. And yeah, so that's kind of what we had. I didn't get on until like 10-ish, like right around here. So didn't really miss anything. Had a rally up and then just started building some liquidity here. I did chart again on the 15-second, and I just getting some lines, but then I'm like, I just wasn't super confident in them today. Some days when it's just not as clear to me, I rely more on Eric and SPY day trading or Emperor. Or, problem is though, is them days where it's like I'm right and they're off a little bit, so it's kind of the tricky thing. But anyways, yeah. So here was low a day, here's high a day. Kind of building this liquidity here, looking for a head to grab it potentially. As long as it doesn't complete the Ember's Cup, kind of looking for a head, and lo and behold, had a nice dip here. I had this white one charted. I had it charted a little bit different, I think, earlier, and got this red one. I think I had that one by then. I had the gold one. A lot of these were at the 15-second chart though, so I'm still kind of sorting out which was legit. And here's my purple one. I had it here steeper, and then I kind of mellowed it out. And yeah, so came down. So came up to grab the shoulder, so I'm kind of looking for a break on this, given that's nice inverse head and shoulder, but if bulls need more liquidity, they're going to keep grinding it down and grabbing more, so that's where you get those kind of mini head and shoulders or inverse head and shoulders after the normal one. Sometimes they don't need it, and they just one candle all the way through, but in this case, you could see they were clearly using this to build it. So here's your other head and your shoulder right here, and it grabbed it perfectly on the break, actually, right there with that huge volume. I don't know if there was news or what, but yeah, I almost got it here. Got calls on the break, but I wanted to see it contest that purple one more time, and I actually did. So I got him right here, literally right before this crazy candle, and didn't have this line chart at that point. So I was hoping for high day, but on that first big candle, it was like, let me see, I'll show you guys a screenshot here. What's funny is that I had the direction wrong, but you can still make money if you just have a good entry and have a tight stop and risk management. All right, yeah, there's today. So a little green day. Could have been more green, but I kind of held that last round for a while. Open for at least high a day. So 1106.13. I bought it, and then 1106.26 I sold the first one, so 55 cents to 68 cents, and then 1107.48 I sold the second one for 71 cents, so 20 something percent in there, close to 30. And this one I actually sold for a loss, 11.17. I didn't do break even because I was waiting for it to actually break my spot there. Let's see, 11.17. So entered there, sold another one here. Wait, is that it? Yeah, that's actually crazy. This one I sold on this candle actually was higher than this one, so quite a bit of volatility on that candle. And then this one I held through all here, thinking this resistance might turn to support, so I was kind of being a little greedy on that last one. Didn't sell till here on this candle, so broke it, closed below it, and that's when I cut out. And then, so I wasn't prepared for what it really was doing, was a little inverse head and shoulder to make a head, to then grab that shoulder there and grab it right here and flush through this green channel I drew, as well as grabbing that and all the way down here. So I actually missed this trade on the big account because I was one and done on the small one, but happy I got the green one there. And I think I totally missed that one. I just want to check this one. I did overtrade a little bit on the big account today. Gave back some of the gains from yesterday. I think on Fridays I should just trade like one contract, because my batting average for Fridays is just no Mickey Mantle. It's awful. Yeah, did I miss those? Then I probably, let's see. Yeah, so I didn't get it there. I kind of wanted a little retrace up into to find the resistance on this steeper white channel, and it didn't. It just kind of kept flushing. So if I wasn't in this trade, I probably would have been prepared for that one. But that's just the way it goes. So yeah, I missed that one, and then I guess 1137. I had some green trades on the big account, some red. Ended up just mostly chopping literally the rest of the day, so not a whole lot of other good trades. Yeah, there just wasn't a whole lot left. That's just what happens on Fridays. So not a whole lot to review. Come back next week, and yeah, yesterday's price action was nice, and I was getting all fired up with charting on the 15-second, and then the precision kind of steeper channels to just take it on that. And I was kind of doing a little bit today, but they just weren't respecting it as much today, and it's just nature of a wedge, lower volume, and a Friday. So just kind of got to know when it's looking good, put the pedal on. When it's not, just chill out. So I got sub up, like up, comment down, money sticks around. We will see you next week. Have a good weekend. Later.